Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
So today is a little bit of a gloomy day. I've been really feeling like self-care vibe. I kind of decided to take a day to myself today, like vibe with myself and just self-care it up. Actually, that's kind of been like my vibe for the past couple of months. I feel like I hadn't prioritized my own self-care routine, and it's like, I don't know, just kind of like checking in with myself on a mental level and just taking care of myself. I don't know, I feel like today with this gloomy weather, I just kind of want to do like little self-care errands. I've been doing things that actually make me feel pampered and just spoiled and feel really like well taken care of, and you don't need anyone but yourself to do that, sis. If you didn't know, now you know. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go to the gym. I might do a little Target run, and yeah, just have like a chill day and just, I don't know. Yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, all right, let's go. out, not it getting dark in like 2 hours. Like, did I? Anyways, I had a great workout. Definitely stress relieving, and I love that. So love that for me. But yeah, I love this gym, especially because they have an outside area with like hella gym equipment, the like step up boxes. They have a bunch of stuff here. They have like space so you can do like walking lunges, everything. Honestly, I love this gym. It has like they have like an outside setup that's like, which you probably saw in my last video. There you go. They have kettlebells, they have barbell weights, they have dumbbells, they have everything. They have those like step up boxes. They have like those like I don't know what they're called, but they're like the sack things, and like I like putting them on like over my back, and like they have the handles and they're like weighted, obviously. And I love doing like body weight squats and just adding like a 15-pound or whatever. Have like spin bikes outside, and there's enough room like to jump rope, walking lunges, weighted, whatever you wanna do. And I like that's my shit, because honestly everyone inside like just hogs all the machines and all the benches, and it's just like I like it because it kind of gives you options, and we like options. Anyways, I need to get some food. Let's fucking go.